Here I've got iPhone X clone, and let me show you how to insert SIM card to the following device. At first, just switch off your phone. It's highly recommended to do it. Okay, sorry, I took a screenshot. Just tap on power key and volume down key and slide to power off. Once it's turned off, turn your device around and with using some wire, open the slot, and here just take off the tray. Now you can put here 2 SIM cards. As you can see, you have this possibility, and just remember to put them correctly with those specific edge. On the left side, it's the first one. Let me put the second over here. And as you can see, our tray with SIM cards is ready to plug in to the iPhone clone. Just insert it this way. And now you can switch on your phone, tap on power key. Give your device a while. And then if you have some PIN code, you will have to enter it. If not, you will be able to start using your device with SIM card included. So you'll be able to make phone calls, to send messages, and all the others. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.